Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying what you already have, run Python version, and locate the installation so you know the target. Once done, export installed packages with pip freeze requirements. TXT to preserve environments. Make sure to copy any custom site customize. Python path settings, and active virtualims before proceeding. These steps prevent data loss and let you restore behavior after repair. Now stop extraneous processes that use Python and close IDEs, so files aren't locked during the repair. Next, run the official installer and choose Repair, or on Linux use your distro package manager to reinstall the Python package. This replaces corrupted core files. Then reinstall pip and standard libraries by running Python mensure and Python mpip install upgrade pip setup tools wheel. Make sure path and file associations point to the corrected binary. Use Python msite to inspect sys. Path and locate unexpected entries. If virtualims broke, recreate them using Python mvenv and pip install r requirements. TXT. Finally, validate success by running Python C import sys, print sys, executable sys, path, and execute a representative script or unit tests to catch runtime errors. Once confirmed, restore saved configs and pip install r requirements. TXT to bring back extra packages. Make sure path updates persist across shells. If things still fail, one key troubleshooting tip: install a clean Python in an isolated folder or container. Migrate projects incrementally and compare behavior. This isolates environment problems versus global corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.